Hello, it is me again, and this time, considering the fact that I just did sport in probably like 3 weeks or so, like the first time sports in 3 weeks, my body needs nutrition. So today we are going to make spaghetti, simple spaghetti, and for that we are going to need tomato sauce, which is already spiced. I never tested this thing before, but apparently it is good. We have noodles, we have cheese, we have 3 pair of carrots, the meat and the onions. And then we are going to cut the onions and going to cut the carrots and then heat this up, put the carrots, well no, first of all we're going to fry the onions, then put the sauce in it and then add the carrots. No, we are first going to add the onions, then the meat, then the sauce, then the carrots, and then it should be finished. So let's go. So right now we are going to cut the onions. I'm probably going to use like 5 onions or so yeah. I'm going to put the rest here so that we can And one nice advice that I got from my person is to cut the onions into quarters, and then it is easier to peel off the surrounding thingy. So just a short and nice advice I got from an older person. So we're going to peel this one off. It fucking burns. Oh. Ah. My eyes. Oh. There's a high chance that the pot is probably going too small. We're going to use a bigger one. We're going to my eyes. It burns. We are probably only going to use two onions, or else I'm not going to survive this one. Oh, it burns. I am tearing up, man. It's just unbelievable. Unbelievable. It's so painful. To anyone whom you hate, make them cut onions, and it fucking burns. My weakness is onions. Oh. But the good thing is I think that this should be enough for one meal. So we're simply going to put this one on top of this one, and then we are going to activate it to the maximum capacity, and there's the oil. We're going to add a little bit of oil to make it nice and crispy, and then stir this shit up. And meanwhile, while the onion is frying, we are going to cut up the carrots, which should not take that much. You can hear the sizzling of the onions. Okay, so I finished doing this thing. Right now we are going to let it a little bit cook. The sad thing is it was burned a little bit, but nevertheless we are right now going to add the meat. After the meat is, I would say, a little bit of gray, you can add the tomato sauce. Amount depends on how much you want to eat. Considering the amount I'm probably going to use everything. Just get in with me. We're then going to use a little bit of water. Shake it a little bit. Using this thing, we are going to use a little bit more water, and then we are going to add the carrots. And then, even though the tomato sauce is already spiced, you can still add anything you want. For example, I like black pepper a lot, so we are going to spice it up with black pepper. And right now you're probably going to cook it for about 30 minutes or 40 minutes or one hour, depending on what kind of thing you want. And I like it this way, so we're searching for the while this one is cooking, we are going to clean the kitchen. By the way, this pot is going to be used as the pot for the noodles. And after I finish the noodle cooking, we can finally eat. Pushing the noodles into the pot. It is probably going to take around It's probably going to take around 8 to 10 minutes, so see you then. The noodles are done, I tested them and they taste good. So right now, allow me to present to you my spaghetti. Allow me to present to you my spaghetti that I just right now cooked. First of all, the noodles. They seem to be tasty. And then we're going to pick out the sauce. It smells delicious. It smells really delicious, man. Adding on top of that, we are going to add cheese. Lots and lots of cheese. May I present to you my spaghetti Bolognese. So thanks for watching. I'm going to devour this delicious meal and see you then.